Hello and welcome to Country Outback Crafts. I promised everyone I'd show our reveal once I finished my decorated jar, and I hope that you all share your decorated jar or pot or a frame or something that you designed and share and place it in the comments below. But here is the final of my jar. I had applied some lights, little night lights, on and off switch. It wasn't a plug-in. I applied that into my jar. I added some jute around the lip of the jar and a raffia bow. And I placed some sunflowers with a butterfly in it. I hope you love how it turned out, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my page. And again, I will be showing many more coming soon. Thank you and have a great day.